Most of us live in frustration. We chase things we can't control. We fight battles we can't win. We demand life to be fair. And when it isn't, we suffer. But what if there's a better way? What if the key to peace isn't about controlling the world, but about mastering your mind? This is the wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that has guided people for thousands of years. And today, it can guide you too. Most people live in frustration. They chase things they can't control, like approval from others, like perfection in everything they do, like changing the past or controlling the future. They try to control others. They expect life to be fair. But when life doesn't go their way, they suffer. A message left unread, a call ignored. Does getting angry change it? No. But people still hurt themselves over things they can't control. They replay conversations, wondering what went wrong. But the truth is simple. They were never in control of the other person's actions. Traffic, weather, other people's choices. You can't control these things. Yet people waste energy complaining, blaming their bad luck. They don't realize frustration only makes it worse. The Stoics knew this long ago. They taught one simple truth. Happiness isn't about controlling everything. Happiness is about accepting what you can't control. True freedom comes from focusing only on what's in your power. There's a way to find peace, even in chaos. It starts with understanding your own mind. Write down your thoughts every morning. Ask yourself, what can I control today? What do I need to accept? This simple habit clears your mind. It stops you from chasing things you can't change. Imagine losing what you take for granted. Your job, your health, a loved one. This isn't to scare you. It's to prepare your mind. By thinking about loss, you learn to appreciate what you have. When tough times come, you won't break. You'll be ready. The world is unpredictable, but your mind doesn't have to be. You can't control everything, but you can control how you respond. Every moment, you have a choice. Do you fight reality, or do you accept it and move forward? Most people are unhappy because they fight battles they can't win. They try to change the past. They demand the future to go their way. But the wise accept reality. They focus only on what's in their power. This is the path to peace. This is the path to true freedom.